Hi guys, today we are going to make chole and puri. First, soak the Kabuli Chana in water for an overnight and you guys can see how big they became. Then take a pressure cooker, add the Kabuli Chana in it, and then we are going to add how much quantity of water we needed. And then add half tablespoon of salt and then cover it with a pressure cooker lid and then boil it until it reaches 4 to 5 whistles. And then take a mixing bowl, add 1.5 cup of maida, half cup of semolina and a pinch of salt. Then add a pinch of ajwain and mix them all well. Add 3/4 cup of water. You guys can add how much water you want. Knead them until you make a roti dough. Our roti dough is now ready. Now grease it with oil on top of the roti dough. Cover and let it rest for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, again knead it for 1 to 2 minutes. And now separate the pieces. We took small pieces because we want to make a small puri for our school lunch. You guys can make it big if you want. And now roll it and make a roti. We are going to do the same process for all the roti. Now take a kadai and put the oil how much you want. And then we are going to deep fry our roti inside it. You should flip and fry for 25 to 30 seconds on full flame. You guys can see how perfect it is becoming for each puri. You guys can also do the same quantity as us. You guys can see how immediately they are puffing. You guys can also see and do however my mother is doing. You guys can see all of our puri is fried well. You guys can see how nicely it is puffed well inside. You guys can see our Kabuli Chana is boiled well. Now take another kadai and on the stove and add mustard oil. We are also going to add cumin seed in hot oil, some chopped onions and now stir it well. We are going to water dry the onion and then we are going to add it. Now add half teaspoon of ginger and garlic paste. Fry them for 30 seconds and then add chopped tomato. And then we are going to cover the lid and then cook it for 2 minutes on low flame so that the tomato becomes soft. After 2 minutes we are going to stir it well, and then we are going to add half teaspoon of turmeric powder plus 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Then we are going to add half teaspoon of coriander powder plus half teaspoon of garam masala powder, and at last we are going to add 1/3 teaspoon of cumin powder. And then we are going to stir fry it for 1 minute, and then add our kabuli chana. Now just give it a mix. And then cover it and cook it for 5 minutes on full flame. After 5 minutes, open the lid and stir it well. We also added some coriander and chilies. You guys can add if you want. And just give it a mix and then turn off the flame, and then it is ready to serve. It is now ready to serve with the poori. So guys, this was very easy to make, and it was also very tasty and delicious. You guys can see how crispy the poori is. And we also took it for lunch, and in the lunchtime it was very yummy. Bye guys, don't forget to like and subscribe.